Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PC startup problem in Windows 10. When a Windows 10 PC refuses to start properly, it's usually installed in one of these three ways. Hanging on the spinning dots, loading screen, getting stuck on the black screen, or landing directly on the blue recovery screen. So let's see how to fix this one. First method is force Windows 10 into advanced startup mode. So first you need to turn your PC completely off. Press the power button to turn it on. As soon as you see the Windows logo or your motherboard logo, press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to force it shutdown. Repeat this process 3 times. On the fourth boot, leave the PC alone. Windows will display a message saying preparing automatic repair, followed by a blue screen that says advanced options. So that screen will be looks like this. Then you need to, from here, you need to boot into the safe mode. So first you need to go to the troubleshoot option, then go to advanced option, go to startup setting, and you can see it asks for the restart. Just tap on restart option. Once it is restarted, you will see this kind of menu. It asks which one you need to perform. So in this case you need to select fourth option, enable safe mode. Simply press the 4 key on your keyboard. Now it is loading into the safe mode. Okay, now I am in the safe mode. Once you there, you can go to start menu, then go to settings, go to the apps section. So in here you need to uninstall any program that is that the issue happened after that installation. As an example, if you install Microsoft Edge, then after you face that issue, then you need to uninstall that by just select that one, tap on uninstall. Since this is the system application that is not available, but if you install as a third-party application, you can definitely uninstall that one, then restart your computer and check is that okay or not. So the second method is use the startup repair option. Okay, so you need to come to the again blue screen menu as you see previously. Then in this case you need to select the troubleshoot option, then go to the advanced option, click on startup repair option. So you can see it shows your Windows logo and shows please wait kind of message. Sometime it will ask your user Windows account and password. You need to select that one and tap on continue. This will take some time and it will diagnosing your PC. Okay, so you need to select your username account and your password. In my case there is no password. Okay, now you can see that diagnosing your PC option. So it will take some time, then after your problem will be fixed. So the next method is you need to run SFC and DISM via command prompt. So first you need to come to the blue screen menu again, then select the troubleshoot option, go to the advanced option, select the command prompt. Type the following command to verify and repair the integrity of your Windows system files. First you need to type SFC space /scan now space /off boot dir equal your Windows drive, in my case it is C /space /off win dir equal your Windows drive /Windows and hit enter. Once the scan is 100% hit, you need to again run this command to check the system image health. DISM space /image your Windows drive /space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Hit enter. Then after, once it is complete, you can type exit and exit from the command prompt. And the last method is uninstall the latest quality update. To do that, again go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, then go to uninstall updates. So there are two options. You need to select uninstall latest quality update. This will remove recent minor patches, security fixes kind of things, and uninstall latest feature update will remove major biannual Windows version upgrades. Select the quality update and it will be uninstalled from your computer and your issue will be fixed.